Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's video I'm going to be sharing with you how I made this crunchy and chewable carrot buns. You can see how beautiful they are. We have the crunchy parts, which is rock buns, and the chewable parts. So without wasting much of your time, let me introduce you to my ingredients. Here are all my ingredients that I'll be using for these delicious and yummy buns. So I have flour, egg, baking powder, sugar, mixed supreme, melted butter, salt, warm milk, and carrots. I'll be leaving all the measurements in my description box below. Do well to check them out. So I'm going to be adding my dry ingredients together, which is baking powder, salt, and flour. I'll mix that and set it aside. You can add your sugar in here, but I don't want to do that. I'll be blending my sugar with the carrots, milk, and egg. Putting my flour in my mixing bowl, add in the melted butter, then the carrot mixture and the remaining milk. Then I'll be adding in the mixed supreme flavor. If you want it chewable, you add more 2 tablespoons of milk or ordinary water. But if you want it crunchy, I use 1 cup of milk here, which is very okay for it. With this you can get that rock buns. You're going to mix it very well. You see how drying it is now. By this time I've already heated my oil. So we are going to fry the crunchy part first before I'll fry the chewable one. So my oil is hot. Don't allow your oil to be over hot. If not, the outside will look brown and the inside will not done. Your fire should not be over high and it should not be too low. I like the color effect of the carrot on these buns. I love it so much. You can see our Nigeria crunchy buns. This is so crunchy. So I'll be frying. The next is to fry the chewable one. I add 1 tablespoon of water to the remaining butter to get the chewable. The only difference between the both of them is the crunchy one is thick. It's a little bit thicker than the chewable one. So I'll be leaving all the measurements in my description box and the explanation. You'll get everything there. If you follow all the procedure, you are going to get it as yummy as mine. If you have watched to this extent, please hit the like button, like my videos guys, so that it can get to a larger audience. And if you have not subscribed, kindly subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell notification. Can you see that gorgeous, delicious, beautiful Nigerian buns? Carrot buns. This is so delicious. Try it out guys, and you are going to love it. To our returning subscriber, thank you for always stopping by. And to our new subscriber, you are welcome to unique Dijja space. Thank you for the love. I really appreciate you all. See that crunchy part. Thank you all so much. See you all tomorrow. Bye.